Hello friends, today our topic is why tourism is called mass phenomena. Why tourism is called mass activity. So let's talk about this. Let's discuss our viewpoints. So as we know, in the process of tourism, a tourist is a person willing to escape from his place of origin to the expected destinations as to satisfy his motives or purposes. So, during the process of tourism, the first priority which comes on day one in his mind is that getting mode of transportation, whether by walking or by car, by horse or by aeroplane. So he has to select the mode of transportation to visit that destination. So, in the process of getting transportations, he may go for the online reservations, or he may call to a friends or directly to the booking office, or he may get that mode of transportation personally. So, that is the first activity he has to perform. But prior to even getting the mode of transportation, means prior to thinking about the mode of transportation, he has to also collect information regarding the various places that he wants to visit. So, in the process of the getting information, he will refer to some journal magazines, or he may visit to travel agencies or tour operators for collecting information regarding the destinations, their health regulations, or the travel formalities, or whether it's international, domestic. That it depends. So that is the first thing. Is that prior to getting mode of transportation, he has to collect information. Then the second phase is getting transportation that we already discussed. So these are the 2-3 activities that you can understand. So he is going to perform the various activities. So again, after getting transportation, he will start his journey. During the journey, maybe he is going to cross the various intermediate points. So during the journey itself, journey is a long journey or it's a lengthy one. So he may have some food for which he can visit on the way some food joints at the bus stop or bus station, or he may buy some souvenirs items during the journey. So this is what he can perform. He may also interact with the local people during the journey or even during the other travelers. So that is also a kind of various activities that he is going to perform while traveling from his place of origin to the destination. Now next, when he reached to the destination, he required some accommodation. So either he can book that accommodation in advance, or he may go directly personally to book the accommodations as per his choice, whether it's a hotel, resorts or lodge or any other mode of accommodations. So for a stay. So that is the another activities you can understand. So while staying inside the hotel, he may also he may also go for joining some activities which is going to conducted by the hotel, or maybe some activities which is there inside the hotels, whether it's a gym or whether it's a shopping center inside the hotel to buy some artifacts or some mementos, or he may go to enjoy some disco or music, or he may go for some sightseeing. So for that sightseeing also he required some assistance from the hotels for the local car taxi services, then food also. So various activities he is going to perform while staying inside the hotels, or even outside the hotels for in the form of sightseeing. So he requires some car rental. So he can go to visit the car rental, or he can book online or through the travel desk present inside the hotel. So when he is out of the hotel, again he may require some like for example, he can go outside for some souvenir shops or to buy some artifacts or handloom items or handicraft items. So that is another thing. Then During the sightseeing also he may interact with the local communities, or he can join some events, or he can participate in some festivals, fairs which is organized by the tourism department, or which is organized by the local bodies or municipalities or the village. So he may join those things, and he could enjoy all this. So this is what is the activity that we can say the activities. So he is going to perform the various activities which is required for the traveling and tourism. So that's why tourism is called a mass activity. Tourism has a mass character because it is a combination of various activities, and it may vary from person to person, from booking to booking, from the choices of destinations or the purpose of visit. But the one thing which is very common in tourism is that it has mass characteristics. Whereas travel has individual character. When you travel, you have to travel only for one place to another place. But of course, travel has also to some extent the combination of other activities. But it is not like a tourism where you have to go there, you have to travel to one place, to your place of origin, to the new place, to solve your purposes, to achieve the ultimate satisfaction. That's why tourism is called mass phenomena. By now you'd have understood why tourism is called mass phenomena. Thank you.